I have put this whole thing ice cube. Now put this cappuccino. I put some ice cream, 1 scoop of ice cream, and I'm gonna put this Hershey syrup for caramel fudge. That's it. So I'm just making caramel macchiato. But I think caramel frappuccino, not macchiato. So now I'm adding this soy milk, which is basically natural, sugar-free, and this is basically is gonna add like a little milk texture because it's quite dry, so you cannot grind it like that. And I'm gonna add a full bottle cup of it. You can see that. So now the grinding process will be much easier, and also I can drink this without any kind of fear in my heart about gaining more calories. So I am gaining calories through the caramel and ice cream, but though something good with all these evils. Okay, so just grinded it completely. So just opening that. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna pour it to the the ice cubes hasn't grinded much, but it almost reached the edge of it, so quite nice, not bad.